Okay, hello. Hopefully the stream start maybe. Yes. Stream started. Okay, hello everyone. How it's going everywhere. Yesterday there was some problem with there's a problem with my internet. Maybe electricity is gone. That's why the stream broke down. The stream cut, and after the time the internet and the electricity came, but I didn't start the stream because the stream was almost completed yesterday, so I leave that as it is. Although at the time Claude do some things, some improvement, I ask it to do. Let's see what he did yesterday. So where's that one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so it's all about this. I was talking about this thing, this code table. Is everything. This is an empty thing. This for ignore this one. But other methods, it was not even a 5 out of 10. It's a 3, which is below. This is very low quality things. Everything has some problem. I mean, lots of problem. So this kind of things can be problematic in the production level or some work level. It is not extensible, or you can say not scalable. Okay, so it did something. So just give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so this is things. It's splitted everything into separate services. Let me go to the code. Okay, promote. Yeah, this already we did this. Also move this here. Eventually we will convert this everything to a class in the future, in the near future, some other days. Maybe. Okay, so this all we got. Now let's check it out if everything is fine or not. Promote user, demote user, everything is fine. I think it's workable. Now we can create a repository. For now, let's ignore it. We will not use a repository in this thing. The database call will be here in service layer, so it won't be a problem though. Okay, so we need to do same things for other module as well. So let's do the same thing for this activity module. It's a very simple things, but let's call this Claude and then ask him to do that. do same thing for this module as well. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so it's done here. Let's see what it did. Yeah, okay, we don't need it anyways. Middleware, don't need it. Validator, don't need it. So it's simple thing. Okay, let's do for other module as well. Let's do refactor this module, these two module. Let's copy. So I'm refactoring this because I don't need to write everything by my own, because if I do so, the video will be too long. Let's love it. Okay, we're almost done. I think it's done. Yeah, almost. Now let's see what happened. Okay, so let's go to editor. Okay, validator. Okay, so it refactored, but we need to do another thing. We need to do another thing. Okay, let's do, the validator, we are supposed to use this sort validation library, so we need to implement that one. Let's go to Claude again and give some prompt here. Use Zord validation x instead. Okay, just transform the existing express validation to chart validation. You can see the structure in the user module. We're just pointing out that the user module is already used as word validation, so follow the structure. Okay, so let's do that. And and rename any files to convention like this. Convention like this, name, then validator, then modifier or use case, then .ts. So you'll understand what I'm doing. Okay, it's generating. Let's see what happened. Okay. Okay, let's use its feature, the Mac features. So where is that on? Okay, let's do that. Yeah. So yeah, it's fine now. It's working. Yeah, you can see it's working. Isn't this amazing? I mean to say, so I'm just using Claude to refactor my code. So mainly I already have some skills here. So somewhere I don't, maybe here, where is that skills? Yeah, this the skills. Control service refactor. The skills is already there. So I use that skill to tell the Claude that follow the structure, follow this one, or etc. So he use that skill and do the rest. So I don't need to bother more. And then So on that scale, the Zod validation was not included. It only refactored the code, but not the validation thing. So that's why the validation is not happened last time. So I had to tell Claude. I had to tell Claude that you need to do these things. That's it, nothing else. So if I include that on the scale, then I didn't need to tell this prompt. So it may reduce some tokens maybe. Although Claude is a token hungry language model. So let's see what happened. Let's close all of this and let's review the code for some minute. Okay, so here we need to do another prompt. Okay, so another convention, the file name shouldn't be in camel case, it should be separated by store. Do one more thing, or let me do one thing. Let's create a module like for donation, and then move this to the entire this module, so it would be much more easy and relatively good. Okay, this is the activity and this will be the request. So I'm organizing the code. Previously I didn't use that, but let's remove. I need to remove this, everyone, like this activity. Let's copy this entire thing, so it will be much more easier for activity router. Activity service now. Okay, do I need it? No, I don't need donation service. Why is happening? It's not moved. Okay, let's see if it didn't move. Replace it somehow. Okay, so we need to fix these things as well. Let's focus later. Let's rename this fast, then it will be much more easier. Request, and let's copy this. Okay, I think I need another, this might work. Okay, let's do one thing. Instead of importing like this, let's do this one, so it is much faster. Oh no, not this one. This should come from Auth middleware. Okay, is admin. Anything, no error so far. Okay, this two. Let's fix here. It will be like this. Okay, everything fine. Let's save everything. Okay, let's see if the server is running properly. Docker compose upd. Oh, I don't have the Docker, sorry. Docker, sorry. pm dev. Okay. Oh, yeah, see? So we have a problem with file. It's supposed to be index file. Yes, it will make some problem. Let's remove this and re-import this one, or We'll do something later on. Let's forget it now. I'm keeping this simple because we are not going to if you already use Express, then you are supposed to tell me that why I can't using the nested routing feature. I know how to use it, but in the later video we will do some things. That's why we're going to move to class, some reusable, drive ansible, a lot of things. So in that case we shouldn't need those nested router. In fact, we are not using directly where is the router things, this router, this kind of things, we are not directly using this kind of things. So as you can see, we don't need it. You understand? I think we don't need it anyways, so we are not gonna use that thing. So I'm just keeping this thing as it is because we're supposed to not use in the future, so that's why I just keep it as it is. That's it. Okay, I think you can understand what is my intention. Okay, so it's loaded. Okay, let's commit this one. Let's test this one so that we cannot hide remove this folder. Okay, donation auth, we are going to we'll introduce this later on, I mean at the very last. Let's just forget it. Let's just forget. Okay, let's give the prompt again for this features and notification service. We are almost done, I mean for refactoring the code. Okay, do something for this modules as well. Okay, let's copy the module path, featured, and notification service. Okay, follow, include all of this, follow below follow this list things, refactor files, use sort validation. Number 3, use custom errors, and number 4, remove unused files. For file name, use separated for files and folders name separate comma, name hyphen to separate word. Don't use camel or snake case. And finally, for file name, use existing convention like this. So I'm just giving this extra command so that it's complete the whole things in a single shot. That's it. Okay, let's see my users, setting users. It's almost 80%. So mainly in the backend development, the Claude don't eat much RAM, but if you want to use this for front-end development or designing, your token may be vanished with a very short time. For front-end development, it took mainly for design purposes took so many tokens. Is in fact, let me share one thing. I used to be a full stack developer, but now I moved to backend permanently. I don't enjoy designing front end anymore. I love logics, complex things, designing systems, this kind of stuff. So recently, some days ago, I tried to integrate. I mean, there is an existing system, login system, which security system is not good. I try to replace, or you can see, remove the existing system and use some security features on the front end development. The back end is fine, it's a simple thing. It was not a problem. So I tried to do that, but it took me just 5 to 10 minutes to erase my entire sessions token. The users limit go to 100 times within a 15 to 20 minutes, but eventually the features was not integrated. So after that time, I don't use the Claude for front-end development. It is too much token. That's the reason why people call it token hungry. Let it generate. Hello. Hello. Okay. So I think it's almost generated. Let's see. Okay, it's generating. Yep, it's creating. Okay, it's created. Let's see. Okay, so let's see what it does. Okay, yeah, so we ask for this one. Yeah, it did a lot of things, a lot of validations. I like it. I like this one. Seriously, it's much good, much better. Let's check a router. Yeah, so do something. Router, sorry, not like this. Fizzer router.use authenticate. So we don't need that as well. So it will be much more simpler. Okay. Okay, fine. Let's go to service. Yep, it's working fine. Okay, what next? Let's check it out, the notification service. Router. So mainly the notification service is not a standalone thing. I mean, the notification will be created by some other services, other modules, and it will just fetch, read, or delete. That's it. Simple thing. And the notification is here. So same thing. Okay. So module refactor is done. Now we need to do something right now. Okay, we are going to convert this all module to class. I mean, there will be no functions. Let's commit this one. A session is almost done. I'm supposed to stream 1 hour every day from 10 p.m. to 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Bangladeshi time. That's my schedule. I mean, I try to create some videos, record some videos, but it's eventually didn't work out. So I took this decision to stream the video on YouTube. So that's it. So same thing. I mean, that's kind of weird for me. So okay, let's see what happened. Okay, so let's comment it first. Status. Okay, let's check if is there anything error. Okay, it's fine. Git commit refactor donation wizard and notification modules. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing. Activity. Oh, sorry. There's also one thing left. I forgot. The auth module. We need to refactor this as well. Okay, let's in the same way refactor. Let's refactor this module as well. Copy relative path. This module as well. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for some minutes. It is compacting. Let's wait. I don't know how much time it will take. Let's go to users. Okay, it's 40% or 52%, almost 50% users is done. Okay, so after this refactor, we'll start a new conversation. Supposed to not today, tomorrow maybe. Then we'll start converting our project to class, and we'll use the solid principles, mainly the dependency injection. I will inject the dependency from outside the class, so it will make the code more scalable, more extensible. And from this kind of so slowly we will convert that project, where it's convert this project is into a more flexible, more robust application. Okay, it's taking too much time. Let's wait. It will take time because the auth module is too much big compared to other. Okay, now it's finally writing. Okay, one thing I want to mention, then I don't rely on AI is AI or LLM models. I don't rely fully on AI. I use it as my assistant. So that's, you can see, I already I just give him some to work as I'm his senior. So that's it, not more than that. So in the near future, I'll also do that. I'll just do the structure, just the structure, and write some codes and ask Claude to maintain the design and do the rest of the work. That's it. So it will increase this productivity. I mean, if I write the code, then in the next 30 days we are supposed not to finish this as well. So if I use AI, especially that's Claude, then I can finish this in next 7 to 10 days maximum. Okay, it's now almost done. It's almost done. Let's see what it has. Okay, the file is already changing. Yeah, the new file is created. A lot of videos. I mean, in this module, the Auth module is the most secured, most worked module. I mean, I spend most of my times in the Auth module because I need to ensure the system is fully secured, and authentication authorization is a very complex thing. So I had to spend most of the time in this module back then. Now I know some tricks, tips and tricks. Then I mean, at that time I was also learning the security purposes, security things, security strategies, vulnerabilities, a lot of things. So that's why I had to do a lot of things instead. So here I use a simple thing, but I can use some existing package. Like I use passport maybe. Let's say, yep, I use passport, but not fully. Just not fully use the passport. I can use the passport features fully. Okay, let's see what it does. Let's go to router. Okay. Yeah, a lot of videos. Things are validator. Set up new password schema. Lot of things. Okay, so hopefully everything is working fine. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, although tomorrow our job will be create a repository for each of this module. Repository means instead of calling the services, let's commit it. To complete first, then let me talk about that one as well. Refactor Auth module. Okay, so tomorrow we'll do create a repository. Like you can see, we are calling the database directly inside the services. We are supposed not to do that, and we'll move this kind of validation, to the DTOs. Mainly, it's this kind of validation like this one. This is a validation level thing, not a business logic. Like there is no username or female password, but this part is a business logic, so we'll keep this here. And the token generation is generating, and for mainly these things, the database calling will be in the repository layer. If you don't want, then don't want. It's not mandatory. I'm just doing to separate this business logic to database calling. That's it. It's just a practice thing. And also this one, yep, this is working fine. Lot of things. We will create a repository, and also I'll also sense that this as well. Lot of things we need to talk about. I mean, we need to do. Okay, and also one more thing. Tomorrow we'll focus on some on the workspace mainly. Integrate the conventional commit and conventional branch name for this project. I mean, it will be mandatory. If you don't do that, your commit won't be commit. You will not be able to commit a single things. So that's the things we are going to do. And also, okay, that's the thing we'll do. We'll use Husky and Commitlint for this one. Okay, so today is done. I mean, I am supposed to stream 1 hour every day, and that's it. So our 1 hour is over. I mean, today I'm being late for 5 to 6 minutes because there's some problem with the YouTube. I was unable to set up my streaming things, so that's why it's late. So okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.